Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people see this question and solve this question like 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, then again 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, third priority is multiplication, division, and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. 7 minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 2. Now in the parenthesis 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now 7, 2 minus 5 is equal to 10 minus 10. Now 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. So the correct answer is minus 3. Okay. Minus 3 is the correct answer. Uh, if you like this question, please like, share, and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.